This game is awesome. I could play it every day. Whoa. Look at that. You're my best friend, Huggy. Huh? What's going on? No! What's wrong with this thing? Come on, work! That's not good. That's different.
Hi, Miles!
Is this really happening?
It sure is!
All my dreams are coming true! I don't believe it! I don't need you anymore!
You know what's fun? Math homework!
Wow, that sounds great! Hold on. Our idea of fun is totally different.
Do it, Miles! Do it for me! Huggy Wuggy!
No! I'm out of here!
Don't go, Miles!
Leave me alone!
But I was convinced that would work. Oh well, back to the drawing board. I need a shower. This costume's warm.
Maybe if I… Nope, tying laces is tougher than it seems. Dad! Hey, Dad!
What's all the noise, sport?
It's these stupid laces. I just can't get the hang of it. Can you help me?
Of course I can, buddy. You'll soon figure it out. First, we need to untie you. How did you manage this? Okay, now watch this.
Don't go too fast.
Just cross the laces like this. Then make 2 loops. Easy.
What kind of sorcery is this? I want to try it. So I cross them over, then make a loop. Just like this? Whoa! I did it! Oh!
Miles? I'm so glad his mom isn't here. I've got it. I just need this bottle of water. Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
I am so confused right now. Come on, Dad, hurry up. So now what?
We use the bottle.
To tie my laces?
I'll cut the top off the bottle. We just need this part.
What is going on?
I've put your laces through the cap and the bottle. Then I'll screw the cap on. There you go!
Are you serious? I can't go out like this. I look ridiculous.
It looks great!
No, it doesn't.
Ahem. You need these. It'll solve all your problems.
Thanks, honey.
Ooh, those look good.
Let's try them out.
I knew I should have asked Mom first.
We don't need these. I'll place the straps onto your sneakers. They're so easy to put on. What do you think? Pretty neat, huh? They even stretch. There's no need to untie them.
Wow, this is perfect. They look great. Wow, my shoes are staying on. Look, Dad.
That's my boy. I'm definitely taking credit for this. Well, I can't sit around here all day. Ah! Ouch!
You're gonna need these.
What would I do without you?
I often wonder that. Time to brush my teeth! I just need some toothpaste. That should be enough. Wait. I'm done here. La 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 la! Another lovely morning. Huh? Look at this mess! It's just nice to have some me time. Shh. I'm busy. I'm trying to play with your phone. Hey, Mom! I'm gonna take a selfie! Ooh, I look cute. What's that over there? Don't run, sweetie. She's such a good girl. I might make some tea. Uh-oh. That sounds expensive. No! My phone! Why did I let Sky play with it? It's my own fault. Wow, this book's amazing! It's all about unicorns. I wish I had one. Ouch! Mom! My book attacked me! Sky, you need to be quiet. Give me your book. You need to be careful. I'm gonna take it back! Got it! I'm out of here! I'm not finished talking to you! That's it. I need to make a call. Hello? I'd like to place an order. This shouldn't take long. I think that's mine. What a great service. I wish I had thought of it earlier. Sky! Come here, sweetie. Ooh, what's that? Is this a trick? Will rubber snakes jump out? It's a risk I'm willing to take. This is so exciting! I know. Hey, be careful.
Ooh, pretty! What's this?
It's just like your toy.
I don't get it.
Let me show you. So the suction cups mean I can stick it to the wall. Just like this. But that's not all. I can use it to hold my phone. See? Now it won't get broken.
Wow! That's so cool!
There's more. Why don't you try it?
I'm gonna stick my cupcake to it. It's working!
What else?
My candy! Look at that! This is so much fun!
I was hoping you'd say that. Can you think of anything else?
Me! Thanks, Mom! This is great! I didn't think this through. A little help?
It's okay, honey. Come on. Ooh. I was getting worried. You could have been stuck there forever.
I'll put my egg right here on the towel. Then I need a light and a clock. The timer is set. Now all I have to do is wait and watch. Come on, cook. Come on. Getting so sleepy. Just gonna close my eyes. Oh, my egg! Aw, man. It hasn't hatched yet.
This salad looks delicious. I can't wait to eat it. I feel like it might be missing something. Oh, I know. An egg. Eggs make everything better, in my opinion. Alright, let me just peel this egg. Huh? It's empty?
Mom! Mom, that was my egg!
Oh, it's okay. I can put it back together. Here, look. It's fine.
No, it's broken! You ruined it! You ruined my egg!
Oh, wait. I can fix it, I promise. I'll just use a little tape. There, see? Good as new. No more cracks.
Huh? No, it's still bad!
Wait, Miles. We have more eggs.
More eggs?
Wait. Are we out of eggs? Oh no.
I hate you, Mommy! You ruined my egg!
Wait, don't go. Shoot. Gosh, she's really upset. Hey, wait a second. I've definitely got an idea that I think might work. Let me start with this half of an egg carton. I'm going to drape some plastic wrap over the top. Next up, I'm going to pour some water into the egg carton. Okay, that's looking good. But it needs something else. Sorry, Miles. I need these gummy bears. Okay, these candies are really going to help things. Look at these cute little squishy bears. Let me just pop some of these into each space in the carton. Okay, now I just need to freeze them. And done! Look at these icy little eggs. Miles, look what I brought for you.
Whoa! Look at the eggs! They're so cool! Wow, they're so smooth. I like them a lot.
Wait, watch this. I've got a glass of water. Let me just put one of the eggs inside. See? They're ice eggs! And now they can keep your water cool, too.
Okay, I've got my clock, my lamp, and my bowl. Alright, egg. Let's get back to it. Yay!
So Miles, don't you… Of course. Oh my gosh, I'm running late. I've gotta go.
I got your leg, Mom!
Miles, honey, I need you to let go.
I got you. You can't go anywhere.
Hey, Miles, look what I have. Some cookies.
Cookies! Yay! I want them!
Now's my chance to get out of here.
Yes! Cookies! I'm gonna set them down right here. Ooh, should I eat them now? Or wait, I don't know. I'm gonna eat them now! Oh, but if I eat them now, I won't have any more later. And I'm gonna want cookies later. Okay. I could sniff them. Ooh, cookies smell so good. I gotta eat the cookies right now. But wait, then no cookies later. I'll set them down. Cookies are hard. What am I gonna do? Cookies now? Cookies later? Cookies now? Cookies later? Ugh! Cookies! 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 Now or later! Cookies, come here. You just sit over there, Cookies. I'm gonna think really hard.
This book is so interesting. I'll keep reading.
No! My cookies! Get off, Dad! You're sitting on my cookies! Get off! How could you, Dad? Maybe the cookies will be okay. I'll just pour some out into this bowl and see. Ugh. Dad ruined my cookies that Mom gave me!
Well, I guess I really made a mess of things. Yeah, they're broken. Wait a second. Maybe I can salvage this. Alright, let's see if I can make this work. I need these cookies to be even more broken. I'll crunch them up. There, that should be enough. Let me grab a glass. I'm gonna slip this whole sleeve into the glass, and now I'm going to pour some milk right inside the sleeve. I want enough to fill the whole package all the way to the top. The last thing I need to do is add a popsicle stick into the sleeve too. And now I just need to freeze it. Okay, that should be long enough. Let me take it out of the glass. It's definitely frozen now, so it's ready to go. Miles, I've got something for you. Here.
Whoa! What's this? I'm gonna open it up. Whoa! There's cookies in this! Whoa! I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Mmm, so yummy. Mom! Dad gave me this. It's his popsicle.
Nice. I get the popsicle now. What are you doing? I'm just taking a taste. There, see? I got rid of it. It belongs to the bear now. You two. Coming! I wonder who it could be. Oh, a delivery has arrived. How nice. I love packages. I can't wait to open this to see what's inside. Oh!
Bye-bye!
Ouch! That really… Oh! Ooh. Oh no. I dropped the package and it says it's fragile. Maybe it's okay? Oh, that does not sound okay at all. Wait a second. This just gave me a great idea. Okay, let me take the tape off this box and then open it up. Yeah, this is totally broken. Shoot. Well, I don't need it right now. I want this box. I painted it red. It looks good. Next, I'll need my box cutter, because I'm gonna do some cutting. I'll just cut some lines down this way like this. There we go. This shape looks a bit like a belt, but I don't need it. Oh wait, I know what to do. It needs decorations. Stickers are a great way to make this look better. Bikes and hearts everywhere. I think this'll be great. I'll just set it right here at the bottom of the stairs. Not bad. Olivia! Come see what I've got for you!
Whoa! What's that? It's so cool! Look! Bikes and hearts!
It's a place for you to store your bike.
Thanks, Dad!
Now it'll stay off the floor and you'll always know where to find it. Not gonna lie, that's one of my better inventions. Ah! Ouch! You've gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh. These look absolutely scrumptious and delicious.
Yay! I want one too! Bye!
Let me see. I don't know if I agree with this article.
Cookies.
Well, maybe he's made a good point or two. I'll have to do some research, I think. Wait. What happened to all my cookies? The bowl is completely empty. Olivia.
Hi, Dad.
She ate my entire snack. Okay, my snacks are hidden under this pillow. The coast is clear. No Olivia means I can dig in. I've been looking forward to these all day. I love these cheesy, puffy snacks. They're so good. Let me turn my movie on, too. I want to see how it ends.
Hi, Dad! Ooh, cheesy puppy snacks! Gimme! Bye, Dad!
Ugh! I can't get any peace anywhere around here. I can't stand it! I've gotta do something about this. Alright, I think I can do something. I've got this pot lid. I'll put it upside down on my bowl with my snacks. Now I need something she doesn't like. Broccoli should work. I'll just put these florets on top of the pot lid. They're covering up the cheesy puffs. No one will be able to see them. Just a few more here. And over here too. Perfect. Now I can get back to my movie. I really think this is gonna be successful.
Dad! Can I have some more snacks, please? Wait, what's that? Broccoli? Gross!
Wait, don't you want to share some of my snack?
No! Yuck!
Oh, it totally worked. Look at how fast she's running away. Ugh, gross. I don't actually want to eat this broccoli. I'm actually here for the cheesy puffs, of course. That's right. Come to Dad. Time to get my snack on. I really deserve this. I've worked too hard.
When you're a parent, you sometimes need a little extra help. That's why we've got these amazing gadgets and hacks to make life a little easier. What was your favorite? Let us know in the